In this video, I'll show you how to add the microphone to your Samsung keyboard. So if I open up my notes now, you can see that there is no option for the microphone. So in order to do that, open up your settings, scroll down until you see the general management section, open that, and then come down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. From here, you want to scroll down until you see the voice input. Tap on that and make sure it's set to either Samsung voice input or the Google voice typing. Come out of that, and then below Samsung keyboard settings, tap on keyboard list and default, and ensure that the keyboard button on navigation bar at the very bottom is enabled. So if we come into our notes again and I open up the keyboard, the microphone should be there. There it is. So that's how to add the microphone to your Samsung keyboard. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe.